Alright guys, well I'm not much of a hat wearer, but hey, I'll wear this. Link in the description if I remember, hopefully. Yeah, this episode we're going to unbox my birthday present early. It's like November 30th and my birthday's December 22nd, so but the deal was the deal. So we got ourselves a Harbor Freight US General. It's a 30-inch 5-drawer mechanic cart. Looks like it's pretty nice. I was looking at the one at the store. So, and we got a badass color. I don't know if you could have seen it in there, but but I'll show you the color when we get it open. So I guess without further ado, let's get this fucker open and see how it looks. First things first, looks like we just got some what looks like legs. So we got the legs. We'll see how easy this thing is to assemble. Holy shit, these things weigh a ton. Yeah, now we get this beast out. And boom, it's orange. Looks cool. So in this drawer, they had all the wheels and all the nuts inside that box. And then I found that and a couple other drawers and in the top. So basically we're going to start by assembling the lower frame, and then we can just put the toolbox on top of this. So let's get all of this assembled. Alright, quite the process, but it's got some, what the hell are those called? Carriage bolts that go through, washer, and then nylon lock nuts. 4 on each. Put 2 of the same ones that aren't swivels. Those ones are fixed at the end. They go on the same sides. Alright, now let's get the sides on. Alright, well we're halfway. And then when you're putting these on, make sure you got the short side right down here, because the braces go down there and then it gets bolted into there. So now let's get this side done. Alright, now I just got to tighten those down. I figured let you guys know that it's everything so far has been a half-inch socket. So let's get these tightened up, and then we got to do the cross members, and then we can put the box on. So let's do that. Alright, well that was interesting. So one thing I noticed, these go underneath these guys. I think it says in there to do it otherwise. It didn't make sense. It wouldn't line up. So that's what I ended up doing. So these are on top of that. And then I also had to kind of loosen up some stuff in order to get it all fit. And then over here, these share the same bolts for this guy. So don't forget to put that on. But now it's time to drop the box into here. That should be a good time by myself. So let's do that. Alright, so I got all these in. They're not all tight. I could only tighten so many because I'm just rocking this guy. So I need to get some wrenches to do those, and then we'll be good to go on those. And then we also put these guys on, and they just use the same nut. So it's all the same, half-inch. So now we got this handle to put on, which looks like it's Phillips. So we got to put that up on the top here. Right in these guys. Other than that, pretty much there's our keys. I give you freaking 4 keys. Yeah, this thing's cool. It's got these like little thing. You push it over and you can open up your drawer. Otherwise you can't. So that way they don't pop open when you're pushing it. And it looks like they all come with these liners. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, so you got 2 of these little guys, and then 1 deep one, and then you've got this one, and then you got this big boy. So otherwise it's pretty good. It was a kind of a pain in the ass to get in. Like you kind of had to bend all this stuff. If you have friends, have them help, because doing it by yourself sucks. But yeah, other than that, let's continue on. There it is, mostly together. Like I said, just gotta tighten up a couple things. But otherwise, there it is. It's assembled. Definitely like it so far. I have to put tools in it still. But yeah. It seems like a solid thing so far. We'll have to do a review later. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. So Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.